How long have you been doing comedy?
About 3 years.
And then when did you know you had this ability to just burp on command?
Oh, since I was 4. My dad was a bodybuilder, and so he was always chugging protein drinks, burping, and
so you're mimicking him, essentially?
I wanted to be like my dad.
Yeah.
I was like, I want to do that. So he taught me. And then ever since then,
So this is a learned skill. Your dad can burp on command, too?
Used to.
Okay.
His body kind of got old, so not so much.
So he can't burp on command because he's older? So we eventually
you lose that muscle.
You lose the muscle,
Oh my gosh.
yeah. You got to keep it up.